If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Katia Valino. In this channel, we talk about skincare and a little bit of vlog. Skincare, anti-aging. Last week, I posted a video about the benefits of hibiscus oil. If you haven't watched that video, I will leave the link in the first comment section or in the description box. Please do make sure that you watch that video about the powerful benefits of hibiscus oil. However, one of the most important reasons why I'm making this oil is that hibiscus flower helps to brighten your skin. It has powerful anti-aging oxidant. It has powerful alpha hydroxy. Hibiscus flower is a natural Botox that aids in firming of your skin. So let's go ahead and get started on how to make hibiscus oil. This is made with dry hibiscus flowers. So I'm using half cup, depends on your jar. So your jar will really determine the quantity of the hibiscus flowers you're going to use. And we use distilled water. So it's just going to be enough water to cover whatever flower you have here. So it's about I'm going to make it 1.5 cup. 1.5. What you want to do is to toss this bottle inside the boiling water. If you have a double boiler pot, just put it inside the double boiler. And I don't like to overcook this. Once the water is boiling, I do turn off the stove. So I'm going to leave this in this water for about 10 minutes so that the flour will infuse inside the water. So after 10 minutes, you take it out from the hot water and you let it stay until it gets almost to room temperature. Now we are going to be adding vegetable glycerin. I am going to be using, this is quarter of a cup. So I'm adding quarter of a cup of vegetable glycerin. And we're going to be using cold press rosehip oil. Cold press. Another quarter of a cup. This is very rich. This oil is going to be extremely rich. So another quarter cup. After that, you want to stir this together. You stir it and then you're going to leave it back on. Put the lid back on and you're going to leave this in a dark corner, not with sunlight, dark area for 5 to 1 week. And then after 5 to 1 week, we are coming to finish up our hibiscus oil. So after 1 week, it's time for us to finish up this hibiscus oil. So all you have to do is to strain with the small strainer. If you don't have the strainer, it is best for you to use the cheesecloth to squeeze out the oil from this hibiscus dried flower. Yes, squeeze them out and then find a bottle and transfer this into the bottle. You can pick up your bottle from the dollar store or you can reuse the bottle you already have. I am reusing one of my old bottles. So you transfer this, and after transferring this, make sure you close it up very tightly. And again, you are going to be storing this in a very tight no, very dark area against, no, away from the sunlight. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to follow, subscribe, and leave your thoughts and your comments down below.